In this vlog, I want to share you how I balance a full-time job with my passion for content creation. If you're in a corporate job and thinking about starting a creative side hustle, know that it's possible. It takes effort and some sacrifices, but if it's what you love, every challenge will be worth it. Now, let me show you how I make it work and find balance along the way.
Ay, GC sana. Okay.
2, 3. So here's my chicken burrito a la stuff. Nag-order kami sa One Ayala, kaso minsan hassle na mag-order pa kami doon. Matagal yung delivery. So I decided to make my own recipe. Kung gusto nyo guys, makakita ng mga cooking vlogs or mga recipe ko, kung ano yung mga pinaprepare ko na food, let me know in the comment box. So good. Mahilig ako magluto-luto. So, pag uwi ko from work, gusto ko nagluluto ako ng pagkain. As much as possible, nilaless namin yung pag-order outside. Baka we want to not only work out or have a healthy lifestyle, but we also want to eat healthy. Kaya, gusto ko ako yung nagluluto ng pagkain namin. So, walang time na talaga, doon na lang kami nag-order. And usually, yung order namin is stuff. Ilang araw na ulan ng ulan, guys. I hope tumigil na siya soon. Nakakaano ngayon, no? Kunting ulan, bumabaha na, kahit saglit lang. Hindi pa masyadong matagal yung ulan. Hindi pa nga ito yung parang katulad ng mga dating bagyo na nararanasan natin, na malala talaga, na nagliliparan yung mga bubong. I just finished working out, and today I'm gonna cook dinner, steak. Good morning! Sarap pagod na. Today is my rest day.
Pero hindi tayo magpapahinga actually. Today we're gonna do errands and also magpapaayos din tayo ng hair because next week we are flying to Japan for my birthday. 1 week kami next week sa Japan. It's actually sponsored by Klook because we won last year dun sa Klook Quiz Venture nila, 9th birthday nila or 9th anniversary. So this year, it's their 10th birthday. Make sure guys na naka-follow kayo sa mga social media nila kasi doon nila ina-announce kung ano yung mga pakulo nila, mga challenges, mga games nila, and you can win a lot of amazing prizes like yung mga all expense paid for Japan, Korea. Pwede rin na kayo yung mamimili ng country. As in, super dami exciting prizes. And also, please use my promo code when you're booking activities. It's MaryClook so that you can get 5% discount on your activities. And you can use it up to 2 times per user. Ako talaga, inaabangan ko talaga yung 10th birthday nila yung this year. And excited kami na magsali ulit ng mga kung ano man challenges or games na meron sila. Kasi grabe talaga yung bongga talaga yung pa-price nila. As in, today magpapaayos tayo ng hair because we're gonna prepare for our trip next week. And then also we're gonna buy gift para dun sa birthday nung inaanak ko for tomorrow sa BGC. So yeah, that's our full agenda for today. Kagabi pala, kwento ko lang sa inyo. Kasi nag-Netflix and chill ako kahapon. Kagabi, pinaforce ko kasi yung sarili ko na mag-work pa and mag-edit ng videos. Pero kasi parang hindi ko na rin talaga kaya. And antok na antok ako. Tapos parang the whole week talaga na itong gagari talaga yung pagtatrabaho ko. As in, sobra-sobra talaga na parang akala mo 10 yung pinapakain ko or 10 yung anak ko. Ayun. Kagabi, I decided na stop na yung pag-edit and then pahingi lang ako. And super ano lang naman. And super happy ako kasi I get to relax and I get to enjoy the slow nights like this. Slow. I-discipline din natin yung sarili natin when it comes to work. Hindi lang yung parang discipline lang na parang mag-happy ka or mag-enjoy ka. Also when it comes to work, dapat din discipline nyo rin yung sarili mo na you should know when to rest. You should listen to your body. Learn kapag kailangan mo na mag-pause sandali. So, yun din yung isa sa mga pinapractice ko ngayon. Kasi parang naging excessive yung pagiging workaholic ko talaga. Minsan, hindi na ako nakikinig sa body ko kung sobrang pagod na ba ako, or masakit na yung katawan ko, or inaantok na ako, ganun. Kasi pinipilit ko pa rin yung sarili ko. So, yeah, I'm trying to practice how to listen to my body kapag kailangan ko ng mag-rest, or kahit pa paano not feel guilty when I'm enjoying yung mga idle time, or yung pagbi-binge watch. So, yeah, that's what I'm practicing lately, and I feel so great. Okay, got my pickup coffee. Okay, so I'm already here at SM and let's just make it quick kasi napakarami pa ng mga kailangan natin gawin. Just buy a gift para dun sa birthday bukas. Let's check the mattress and then we'll go to Rustan's para mag-grocery. Let's go! Grabe no, dati yung mga party namin is gimmick-gimmick, mga night out, ganon. Ngayon yung mga party namin, children's party na Signs of aging na ba to? Bili tayo ng educational toy na pang 1-year-old. Bigyan kaya natin ng mga malulupit na equation. Charing, para matalino ka agad. Diba? Turuan mo na ng mga pang college. Cherries. morning! Sarap ng gising ko today because kahapon, mali kami ng 5-kilometer run sa MOA, yung electric run Color Fest. Sobrang saya kasi finished the 5-kilometer in just 36 minutes. Very athlete ang ate mo, diba? Nagustuhan ko yung mga ganun klaseng experience. And also, I want to show you my medal. Medal. Di man tayo nagkaka-medal sa academics. At least meron tayo sa takbo-takbo. Super proud moment. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog nung experience ko kagabi, but sige, kukwentuhan ko na lang kayo. Actually, expected ko naman na kaya ko yung 5 kilometers. Kaya, nung niyaya ko ng sister ko at saka nung asawa niya, pumayag ako kaagad. Kasi nga, gusto ko rin talaga mag-join ng mga ganong activities. And even before pa na nauso-uso yung mga run club, nagja-jogging na talaga kami. Naalala ko ng post-pandemic, dalawa kami ni Dean, nagja-jog kami from Makati to BGC. And I find it so relaxing and parang nakiklear ko yung thoughts ko kapag nagja-jog ako. It was a super fun experience. Hopefully, we can try yung 10 kilometers next time. Pero ayoko rin kasi nabiglain yung sarili ko. So, nagpe-pacing muna ako. So, right now, nag-arrange lang ako nung sa pag-giveaway natin, mga followers and subscribers natin na McDonald's Cheesy. Minsan, hidden giveaway in the middle of the video. Ganun. Let's go!
Direct. Magka-download ako direct sa
Hey guys, good morning. So today is Tuesday. It's going to be a very busy week kasi we're also preparing for our trip this coming Saturday in Japan. It's my birthday trip, you know what I'm saying. Marami pa kami kailangan mga tapusin ng mga work and marami din pa akong kailangan ng mga i-edit ng mga content para at least hindi tayo matatambakan and wala na tayo masyadong iisipin dun sa trip natin. And also, today pala, may imimit tayo na brand for potential collaboration. And I'm very, very excited kasi, alam mo yun, it's a milestone for me kasi yun, first time ko yung makaka-meet in person and I love meeting new people kasi wala lang, parang feel ko napapractice yung communication skills ko and paano ako mag-socialize and interact. I don't usually go out na lately if it's not about work. Sa hirap ng buhay ngayon, kailangan pera. Charot. Hindi na ako masyadong lumalabas. Siguro yung pasyal-pasyal ko na lang is kapag pupuntahan ko yung family ko, ganyan, or may birthdays and anything. So, ganun na lang yung mga socialize ko. Tsaka yung mga parang birthday parties ng mga inaanak. Dami nagbago sa buhay ko in the span of 3 years, I think. And wala naman akong regrets, honestly. I love my life now. I'm enjoying every moment of it. So, masaya rin ako na kahit papano, nakakapag-vlog ako, ganyan. Na nasa-share ko rin sa inyo yung mga experiences ko na gano'n. And I hope sana may natututunan din kayo kahit papano. Ang agenda natin is pupunta tayo ng work, of course. Later on, may imimit tayo na brand for coffee. And let's go!
It's slow. You make this light inside me glow.
Ground floor. Let's go home.
So I've been tracking my steps using this Huawei Watch Fit 3. Ever since I started using it, nagiging mindful ako to how many hours I've been working out or standing up each day. And also yung steps ko, usually naglalakad lang ako punta and pauwi from office.
So far, nairaos naman natin tong week na to. Napakaraming trabaho, but I'm not complaining and being full kasi marami akong work, marami tayong side hustle. We are going to watch movie. Actually, bumili si Dean ng TV weekend. And nakakita kami ng super sale talaga na TV and sons. Yung TV nila na 55 inches. Ito, papakita ko sa inyo. Tcharan! TCL, 55 inches. May kasama ng soundbar. Hulaan nyo kung magkano, B. Hulaan nyo. 25,000 yata. Kasama niya yung soundbar, tapos may bass pa. Sorry guys, kasi wala kaming pang-mount pa ng TV and also wala rin kaming TV rack pa kasi hindi kami prepared talaga na bumili ng TV. Hindi rin namin planado at all. Biglang nagustuhan lang namin tong TV na to. Kaya ganyan siya kalaki. Wala talaga siya sa plano. But then, we're super happy with this purchase naman. And we are going to watch a movie! Before yung Japan trip natin. So, try naman natin muna siya. Hindi naman ngayon lang kami nahilig mag-movie ni Dee. Kung before pa kami lumipat dito, nanonood kami ng movie dun sa may computer niya. Tapos parang minumove lang namin yung monitor. We make it like a bonding every weekend. Movie kami. Parang yun na yung quality time namin together. Even if we're living together and bakit magkatabi kaming natutulog. Lagi pa din kami laan ng time para sa isa't isa. Kasi we're both busy with our work. Every weekends, alam namin na movie time yun.
Got me thinking that this can all be true. Speculating, a long time waiting to hear a word back from you. Conversations in my head got me conflicted with what you said. I tend to second guess myself. Like, too much?
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right. But it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous.
Hey guys! So, kakatapos ko lang dito sa Crocs event sa may SM Mega Mall. And I got 2 pairs! And then ako nakuha ang mga free na Jibbits. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo guys kung ano yung design na nakuha ko for my Crocs. Office attire ko, talagang Crocs yung sinusuot ko. This is not sponsored by the way, pero totoo talaga yun. That's why I accepted this event kasi personally, ginagamit ko talaga siya. But yeah, now, pabalik na tayo ng office kasi may work pa tayo, girl. Harabas talaga si bakla. The reality of being a content creator with a full-time job. Ngarag is real. Let's go.
This one. This one, it's pizza. Tira-tira. Hindi ba ito pizza?
Ay, Ben! Quesadilla?
Pizza pa rin. Ito to. Marshmallow chocolate.
More! Current situation. Ngayon pa lang tayo guys, magpapack ng mga damit natin for our trip tomorrow. Actually, hindi ako ready. Hindi kami prepared for this. Pero at least marami naman kami mga damit dito. So yun lang yung gagamitin namin. Check kami ng AccuWeather for tomorrow sa Japan. Nakalagay na weather is like mga 30 degrees, ganon. Parang Pilipinas, pero mas mainit doon. So, most probably, ang mga outfit natin na natire natin, mga shorts, palda, sleeveless, crop top, anything na sobrang comfy to wear. And less tela, ganon. Hindi tayo magdadala ng mga heat tech and mga jacket for this trip. So, yun lang naman guys. Good luck sa atin. Sana makatulog pa tayo kasi ang flight namin is 9 AM. Kailangan nandun na kami around 6 AM. So, most probably, I'll see you guys on my next vlog kasi napakarami pa nating ipapack. Bye!